Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you right now a real quick recap on the trade that I am right now. So let's just see how everything goes. Yeah, so basically very simple guys, everybody knows how I trade. Yeah, I'm trading the break on retest strategy. Yeah, and to be honest, I was looking like literally, let me just take this. I was basically looking at this rejection down here. Yeah, so basically it's very easy. Yeah, you can spot it. So we had this candle that it fill up all this gap and then rejected. Yeah, very nice. We are above the EMAs. Yeah, and the yesterday's candle, what happened? They kept the previous day low, but they broke the previous day high, so that means M plus it closed bullish. Yeah, and due to the fact that it's closed bullish, what do we have? We do have like three basically confluences that the next day most likely is gonna be a bullish move. First reason is above EMAs. The second reason is like push, pullback, push. I was expecting the pullback and then push. Yeah, obviously. That's the second one. And the third one is just a bullish candle. So it's not too bad though. It's not too bad, yeah. That was my initial thing. And what else I had to do? I was barely hoping that they just gonna hold this. They're gonna hold this low. Sorry guys. They're gonna hold this low. So what I did, I went just into 5 minutes. 5 minutes time frame, yeah. And what happened here? What happened here? Very simple, very simple. So basically I had already today a loss already. If you can see, I'm gonna share in a second with you my matrix, but anyway, yeah, let's see how everything goes. Yeah, so what I was seeing now, yeah, I mean today I was seeing here a support, here a support, support, yeah, very beautiful and nice, very beautiful and nice, nice structure points. So I was expecting the price to bounce from this area. Yeah. So what actually happened? Yeah, I just opened here a buy position. Yeah, just put it like that. I'm gonna be very, and I put it right here because this was my next zone. Yeah, and the reason why is my next zone is this one. It was like, you see all these gaps here, 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 here. It's very beautifully and nicely, yeah. And this is kind of like the Asia high. So I was thinking like, and plus if you're seeing guys, obviously I kind of seeing from the previous day the imbalance. So I was like, let me just put on this one. Most likely this is gonna be the price because here we go an imbalance. But it doesn't really matter guys. I just choose this zone, yeah. So I pull my stop loss above this zone, yeah. And I open, when I saw here like a small rejection, yeah, and it was pulling back, I opened the position and I was hoping that the price is gonna go move up to get those highs. And what actually happened? Hold on, I'm gonna open one more position, guys. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. No. Nah, it's pulling back. It's pulling back still. But anyway, guys. Yeah, so what happened next? Let me just keep moving, yeah? I was hoping that we're gonna take this position, but unfortunately it wasn't the case, yeah. And I started taking, like, I was seeing like it was going like literally down, yeah. And I'm like, man, come on. When it was like halfway of the position, I was took 50% off, and I'm gonna show you that right now into from my account history, yeah. $88, $133. Yeah, so you see, gold, and this is, I don't know what the fuck is that, and gold. So the three trades on gold, yeah. Those 3 trades, that's like actually one position. I risked 0.5, so which is $500, but I lost only $350 only. So I kind of managing the position. What happened here? I open. Let me just grab. I open it here, yeah, and from here I just literally took 50% off from here. Then I went another here somewhere, and then I left everything run and just stopped me out. And from here, yeah, I opened another position, yeah. And what do you think where my next stop loss was? My next stop loss is right here, yeah. So what actually happens, yeah, right now, to be honest, guys, I don't even know what to do to put it like on the break even or not, but man, to be honest, I don't really like because to be honest, it does really have still it's got really a room to hold at least to this here, because here it was like more support. Yeah, here was a small one, but from here I would like to see if it gets to this point. Yeah, am I gonna take another buys and to take it from here, and this position I'm gonna move to break even, because right now, yeah, the way how we can see, yeah, is you kind of get to this point, but look at this huge bearish move, is like crazy. But we go here kind of like we can just literally come right now here, and from here to move back up, and from here retest, and then move back up. That way it can happen either from here just to move up, that can be either from here just to move, break, retest, and move up. So basically that's kind of the scenarios that I'm waiting for. And so what am I gonna do it right now? Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. And see how everything plays out. Because right now, yeah, I'm literally right now, if I'm closing the position, I'm gonna be up basically $50 down. But anyway, guys, what I'm saying is like we still go here room to take it from. So I really would like to see, you see, it goes back up, and most likely, let me just, because I think we might gonna take another buys. Okay. Come on, man. Let me just wait for a second. If it gets here somewhere, yeah, I'm gonna enter another buy, because most likely it's gonna break this, because this is oh my days, come on, sorry guys. What? Yeah, so I open another position, and we'll see how everything was gonna go. If it's gonna go down, then it is what it is. By the way, I'm gonna move that to break even, and we'll see how everything was gonna go, because from here I'm already covered, and I just got this one. If from here it goes here, I'm gonna make a lot of money though. So yeah, guys and boys, that's kind of my trade, and you catch me out literally on the trade how I'm trading right now. So guys, I don't know how everything was gonna end up, but I'm hoping everything to go very nice, and to make some profits out of this position. But yeah, because if from here to here it gets here or even here, I'm making like 5R. So understand, yeah? I'm making like 5R. You get it? So that's pretty awesome. How I said, the risk management, guys, is the key. So guys, see you in the next video. Peace and love. I'm out.